Welcome back in another video of Unbox Tamila. This in this episode we are going to see about the MSI MPOWER motherboard, which is named as the world's best motherboard. MSI gives in a black and yellow pattern, which is nice. This type of type of interface in the this has a special in this box is this Velcro type. This have the full special things in the MSI motherboard is specified in this. Melt glass components were used and advanced thermal design, clear CMOS buttons and various buttons for ECUs, digital power and enhanced BIOS system, which use the two BIOSes and a go-to BIOS switch. And these are the super pipes used. They tells about the super pipes used in the MSI MPOWER. This is the supercharger ports, which supports the USB 3.0 ports, which has the supercharger facility, and the total fan control, which controls the overall fan control of the CPU, and the super RAID live update, flash, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, gaming ports, USB 3.0, and SATA 6 Gbps. And the important thing in the MSI board is it supports the multiple GPU. You can use a AMD Semtron or a NVIDIA graphics card at the same time. Let us see about the backside of the motherboard. It inside it have the OC certified logo and the Intel certified supports Intel, and this is still support the higher performance. Your process can be clocked from 3.5 GHz to 4 GHz. The enhanced PWM cooling system, which gives the better cooling facility for your motherboard. The better power stability, which will save your current and more time. These are the badges for the MSI MPOWER. I am eager to tell about the command center. The command center helps to control your motherboard remotely. Audio boost, sound blaster of creative, the killer Ethernet, and more wireless display YD. These are the specifications of the MSI MPOWER. It has Z87 chipsets, 4 RAM ports, killer LAN, 8 channel 7.1 audio on the PC slot, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and peripheral interfaces like 6 ZFs and 8 2.0 ports and 8 3.0 ports and 4 PCI Express slots and 1 SATA, and form factor is in ATX. Let us see about the overview. The MSI gives about the overview of the IO port in its box itself. Many of the companies doesn't giving about the IO, but the MSI giving about the IO ports of the MPOWER Max. Let us unbox the box. This is the motherboard, which is packed well in a heatsink, in a static bag. You can see about this later. I'll tape it here somewhere. Let us see about the accessories and the manuals. It has a OC overclocking guide, how to overclock your MSI MPOWER board, various methods to overclock your board, and what are the specifications needed for your MSI board. Everything else they given, and the mother and the LAN, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth drivers and utilities, which is given a nice black cover, and overclocking the motherboard instruction manual and the drivers and utilities for the overclocking, and the quick installation guide. MSI gives a quick installation guide in the various languages with images and more in various languages English, German, French, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, Turkish, Dutch, Norwegian, Czech, Greek, Swedish, Finnish, Hungarian, and Italian, and more languages here too. Here the MSI gives in more languages to use for the user to easily understand about the board. Here is a certification of quality and stability. It tells about the quality of the MSI MPOWER board. It is the military class 4. The MSI has given a posture. This is a little bit a nice posture, which tells about MSI MPOWER board and the board explorer. The board explorer explores everything in the motherboard. It is explained in various languages. You can know about motherboard, overall motherboard, overclocking the motherboard. It's a guide to how to overclock your motherboard. It's full of pictures and to explain how to do overclocking. Software application user guide to how to use your software for the MSI board, and add for the MSI MPOWER Max and Z87 GD65 gaming. And a door hanger which you can hang in your door. Busy breaking world records. Out buying LN2. It's a nice advertisement trick to cover the users. And SATA cables, L-shaped SATA cables for connecting the hard disks, and antennas. Two separate antennas which you can change everything design, and you can keep wherever you want where the signals will come. And it comes with a user manual how to connect your to that. And IO panel. This IO panel how to what are the ports given in the IO panel. Case batch, gaming MSI gaming G series. It's a nice 3M sticker. The Wi-Fi Bluetooth module. They have given the Wi-Fi Bluetooth module to fix in your MSI board. We check cables to check the voltage of your memory and the hardware unit. This is the installation guide for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. It comes with the screw. I don't know what for the screw is. M connectors. The M connectors were connect NVIDIA SLI. It is a bridge, PCI slot bridge to connect your bridge. Let us see about the motherboard. Wait a minute. I will take the motherboard. Motherboard is in a static bag. I will keep this in a static bag so that you do not. This is the overall look of the MSI MPOWER See, it is nicely impacted with a yellow and a black design. The whole board is spacious and more spaces were in this, whereas the other motherboards where doesn't have a more space. Here the IO ports which were nicely designed. All were gold plated killer LAN. Each were having packed with a grommet, rubber grommets, which is safe while transporting. Gold plated connectors, optical cables, USB 6, USB 3.0 connectors, and two USB 2.0 connectors. The mouse and the keyboard connector. It's a nice interface, and a LG 115 heatsink which covers the powers and everything, and 4 RAM slots, 4 RAM slots, debug switch, and a multi BIOS which you can easily switch the BIOSes, 2 BIOSes, and USB 3.0 connectors for your front panel, and 6 SATA and 6 SATA ports and 2 SATA ports. These were the overclocking buttons which you can easily overclock your board, and the OC switch which you can switch the OC on or off, and plus minus button to set your overclocking speed, fun for reset and for powering on. And MSI has the audio boost with a high cap. The audio boost enhance your gold plated connectors to give the 7.1 clear audio, and the MSI has the 3 PCI slots and 2 more latest slots of the PCI slots, which you can connect the PCI slots. It is a well designed motherboard with all other facilities, which is also a world's best motherboard. And for RAID, when you can connect the SSD on board, for direct connection of the SSD will gives you onboard memory, and power for the hard disk and everything else. And for fixing the CPU, the Z87 series Intel chipsets, and this is a well designed motherboard which has more space enough, and where you can see the more spaces enough between the every components. This is a well designed motherboard, I think so. And USB 2.0 connectors for your front IO panel. Not a more complicated design. It is a very look motherboard. These heatsinks, many of the things that these heatsinks were only for the design, but these heatsinks were not only for the design. These have the 8 mm thick pipe which controls the thermal and the temperature of the board, which helps you to overclock. In this here you can see the pipe, inside that you can see the pipe of the MSI MPOWER heatsink, which helps you to overclock your motherboard. It's not too heavy to handle, but the motherboard is well designed. I forgot about telling this clear CMOS button. This helps to clear your CMOS and enhance your PC start boot. And a CPU fan connectors, which will gives you 2 fan connectors, which gives you the whole overall CPU control overall fan control for your CPU. And moreover, it has SFC, the SFC and the ferrite chokes in it for having a better power consumption. All the powers in the MSI MPOWER board were fully digital, so they are calling as digital. Here you can see the killer LAN. Here you can see the small chipsets of the killer LAN. It is for no lag in your internet. For overall, I will rate this board about 4.5 stars, because this is a very unique board, which is price is worthful, and you can buy this board. Very nice board with all the features you want, and a futuristic board with a high performance. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe Unbox Tamila. Let us see you at the next video of installation of MSI MPOWER.